YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. We talking about some Toshi. We're gonna talk about some Bitcoin. We're gonna talk about the state of the market because today is Thursday, and usually the market's busts a move on a Thursday, right? So let's check out kind of what's going on in the market. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at 3.2. Fear Greed Index coming in at 48, and I gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Just homie Crypto J, so don't buy nothing you see in this video, right? Bitcoin coming in at a 104.7 the time of the video, and the market wants to know based off of prior events, are we going to see a breakup, or is Bitcoin going to start to break down, right? Bitcoin now been trending sideways since the 17th. Created this rising wedge right here on the 16th and dropped it. Just been dropping down ever since. It's been a rough week for Bitcoin, right? With all these talks of war and things like that. But Bitcoin has yet to fully capitulate, in my opinion. Bitcoin has not fully broken down. Now, usually we would see the market break down later on in the week, which is kind of where we're at right now. It's Thursday, right? So I do think that market sentiment will probably be setting in today. The fact that we didn't get like the most amazing close today, little concerning. Right, maybe that is an indicator that tomorrow we could start seeing some sell-off. Possibly, again, you never know what's going to happen, but I am paying attention with some of these more short-term time intervals. And so some of these intervals are telling me like maybe we could create another shoulder head shoulder here if Bitcoin doesn't want to double bottom out of this range. Again, and possibly see a retest of some of these lower levels that we've been talking about, maybe going into the weekend even possibly. I don't know what's going to happen. Actually just had somebody that I saw just today, and they were asking me just this, what are my opinions on the market and stuff like that. And I just told them, the market is very uncertain right now, right? With all the stuff that's going on in the world. I mean, we were seeing some good price action, but it just seems like over the past couple of days with all this war and stuff that's breaking out now, Bitcoin's just starting to look volatile. And again, people are kind of on their toes thinking, is the market going up? Are we going down? Everybody kind of wants to know. The market really looking like it's hanging off the edge of a cliff over here on the 1-day chart. We talked about the fact that we had a rejection right off that second level of that Kellner channel here, and then we just kind of been sailing sideways. So I'm just curious to know, are we going to have another retest? Are we going to see some more sell-off in the future? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Again, do we start breaking down here, create another shoulder head shoulder and drop down? Is this a double bottom? Again, nobody knows, so let me know. I'll check out a couple of these other coins, and then we'll dive into Toshi. As you guys can see, the market just looking just a little bit uncertain, right? Only down 0.22% today. But again, if Bitcoin decides that it wants to reject back down under 104.5, then again, we might see some more sell-off happening. Definitely paying attention to a lot of this stuff. Let's see how Toshi's weathering through this storm. Toshi was coming in at 196 earlier. Now it's coming in at 187 million, down about 7% time of the video. Starting to get hit with the rest of the market, as you guys can see. Still up in the past year, 62%. Still in an uptrend on the yearly chart, but some of these more micro charts are just starting to look a little bit more volatile for our homie Toshi, which is something that we did talk about could possibly happen. If the Bitcoin market decides it wants to look uncertain, we might start seeing some of these cells going down. So okay, so it's actually not as bad, I guess. It's at 193. So really the last video we made, we were at like 196. Now we're at like 193. So it's been going up and down. You guys could see CoinMarketCap has a little bit of delay. It had it at 187, but the price has probably moved a little bit since then, back up. So interesting to see what will happen with our good buddy Toshi. Again, getting hammered with the rest of the market, right? A lot of coins looking very volatile today. Toshi coin hoping to stay in the race, right? We'll see. We'll see how some of these coins weather the storm. What are your predictions, guys? Do you predict that the market is going to see a pump next month? Do you guys think that maybe August? Do you guys think that the bull cycle's over, right? There's always a chance that maybe we've topped out. Anything can happen, right? I don't necessarily think that we have topped out personally, but there's always the chance that we have, right? Anything is possible in Bitcoin, as you guys could see. We formed a double top over here. It's a possibility that we're doing it over here, but who knows? Again, this could be another situation where we cup and handle out of this and Bitcoin is back onto the races, sitting at new all-time highs. I mean, there could be headlines tomorrow saying there's peace in the Middle East and everything is going great, and then the market will go sending. Some people think that this will happen. Some people, you know, just don't really know what the heck's going to happen. I'm one of those people. I really don't know what the heck's going to happen over there in the Middle East. I do hope for the best, but I guess we will see, my friend. I guess we will see. What do you guys think, though? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.